up?
Today we're gonna make some slimes. Okay?
Slimes.
Yeah, slimes.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. Today we're going to be in the thick white glue, okay?
Wait, we're gonna put the stuff in here.
No, we're doing it on the plate.
We're gonna put the slime
We're
in
putting
here.
on the stuff, but this is to keep our slime
Just
in.
keep passing it down,
What are we
okay?
putting in it?
On the plate.
On the plate.
You have to tell them how much.
So at least like
Fill up the whole plate, duh.
No, that'd be a big slime.
And with the shaving cream, that thing would be huge.
Yes.
No.
ooh, it's thick.
Sticky
Oh.
Nicki. Yo, thank you. Dang, teacher.
Excuse me. Sorry. Fly in my face.
Just because
Detention.
of a fly.
It was in my face, my eye.
Oh, that's a lot.
More.
You glue hungry. Yo, I got
He thirsty for glue, guys.
Glue always smells good.
Oh,
What? Well, yeah, glue does smell. Glue smells great.
glue.
I gotta agree with it. I gotta agree with
Listen,
that.
hold on.
Glue smells great.
Why do you like the smell of gas?
Yeah, gas.
It's amazing.
Listen, hold on. The only thing I like about glue is when it's on your hand and then you peel
And
it.
then you peel it.
yeah.
That's so
That
nice.
is dope.
More. I know.
What's the name?
What's
I
your-
have the name of two of my slimes.
Blue candy.
Cotton candy, blue cotton candy.
Yeah.
One of the names of mine.
No,
Huh?
one, cause you're only making one.
I know.
What's the name of your slime? Alex?
Mine is green cookies and cream. And I'm putting a
Universe.
little buttercream. And like so
Oh,
many people
it's
have that
strawberry
name, but I just thought about that name and it's so good.
If strawberry
And it's
buttercream was a
usually like
real
strawberry
thing,
frosting and stuff. It's strawberry buttercream, okay?
if
Guys?
strawberry buttercream is a real
Buttercream.
thing, that would taste delicious.
Yeah, I would like want to eat that. Be like,
It was strawberry
Yo,
buttercream
Yeah,
ice
that's
cream.
why we
Y'all
have the
talking. I'm still trying to think of a name.
we got
Like
this.
I'm deep in thought
thick
right now.
griddle.
I'm trying to, like,
I said
I'm eating the blue.
Thick griddle
I said thick griddle.
griddle
See, this is like dark purple.
for the.
And this is gold stars. This is like hollow and gold.
This
stars.
is dark.
Black we
This
don't.
is like a purple.
Yeah, tell me why Nicki Manaj should sponsor your Sticky Nicki Slime.
listen, I gave her props. I named it after her. She need to sponsor me, like a nice sponsor, you know.
Yeah, Alex, that does
Named it
not
after
even look
her.
bad.
I try to recreate
mine
it.
good?
Like, she needs to sponsor me.
What's the name of this slime? This is brought to you by.
Sticky Nicki.
What's the name of your
Spider's
website?
crawling.
Okay.
That
Where'd it go?
Yeah, it doesn't even look like I have glitter. But don't worry, when you
Trust
stack
me.
it, it's gonna like look
Show.
like it has glitter. This chunky glitter did not turn out as bad as I thought it would because
Miss
most
M?
chunky glitter, yeah. Got you.
This is Mr.
listen, I feel like I'm back.
What's the next step?
Borax.
Borax.
That's
No, the
borax?
borax
Yes.
solution.
Well,
It's
this is
water. and
Can you explain what borax is and what it does, please? Thanks.
So borax, children, it will make your slime like come together and make it slime and not this.
No, look,
No, mine got overactivated.
Well, I didn't add more activator after you.
Yes, you did.
But you started playing with it. That's not my problem.
yo, teacher, what type of teacher? That's not my problem.
So you break your slime. That's not my problem. See?
That's
I
okay.
dropped my slime on the floor. It's not my fault.
Look at that Sticky Nicki Slime, though.
I know. She living up to her name right now.
Oh!
Sticky Nicki Sticky.
Mine is good.
Sticky, sticky. Oh my god, mine's so
It's not even
Thank
sticking.
you.
It's not even sticking to me.
Cause you're throwing it back.
Oh my God! It's